Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve. It comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled massaging seats, as well as panoramic sunroof, navigation, adaptive cruise control, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, you're going to have this two-tone brown and black interior with wood and chrome accents throughout the vehicle. Paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom. Equipped with a McIntosh sound system. It'll come up here with the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as your seat memory and massaging seats. A nice wood and chrome here. You're going to have these power adjustable, heated, ventilated massaging seats with your Summit badging. Napa leather, super comfortable. Left side, you're going to have your lighting controls and parking brake. Left side of the steering wheel will be your odometer cluster control, as well as your phone. And right side will be your cruise control and hands-free and gap adjuster with two paddle shifters right behind. You're gonna have an all digital speedometer. You can access all of your vehicle information, including from your gauges, your transfer case, and much more here. You're gonna have push to start and onto the infotainment. So you're gonna have built-in navigation as well as all your climate controls instilled as well. With your media, you can access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, or just your Sirius XM. Climate here, you can see heated and ventilated seats, as well as you can access your massaging. Goes from waterfall, lower back to rock climb. Navigation built in here as well. You can access your vehicle from passenger screen, as well as your HD surround vision camera. Oops, my bad. You can off-road as well. That's going to give you the information on your steering angle, your gauges, your pitch and roll, select terrain, management system, and much more, and downloadable apps as well. Climate control is going to be on the bottom here as well, pretty straightforward. And you're going to have your two USB ports as well as an HDMI for the passenger screen, as well as a wireless charging pad. Just below, next to the shifter, you're going to have your drive mode selector, as well as your air suspension, hill descent control, and center console storage as well. Passenger side, same finish. That Summit badging, the McIntosh speakers up top, as you can see. You can have regular and digital rear view. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, your power trunk release, and your panoramic sunroof. So you have these 21-inch aluminum wheels on Continental Cross contact tires. You have the two-tone finish with the black mirror caps and LED turn signal, keyless entry paint match door handles, deep tint rear glass in the back. You're also going to have the dual exhaust. And into the back here, you got the 60/40 rear fully split seats. You're going to have a 12-volt and as well as a sub in the back here, and extra wheel storage and tools down below. A very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again, same finish, paneling storage next to the McIntosh sound system, power locks with windows. You also got these built-in screen shades at the top. And pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear climate control, heated and ventilated rear seating, as well as some USB ports and an AC wall port. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as drive mode selector, paddle shifters, hands-free, heated and ventilated massaging seats, heated and ventilated rear seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.